Staying organized. It's not for the weak of heart. It's a headache if you don't have the proper tools to do so. What do? Let me show you Trackit. With Trackit, you can catalog and manage all your creative assets like add-ons, models, videos, textures, books, everything you use for your projects. Sure, but fast and efficiently? Let's see. Each record is divided up into 3 sections. First is the database section, where most of the fields are for links. Each link has its own button that opens your browser to either the record's webpage or the record's hard disk folder. Use the Notified of Update checkbox if there's an update. The record will show in the update form, or you can print a list. The memory recall section is 2 fields, tags and pictures, for recalling a product instantly, even long after its acquisition. Equally important is the situation awareness section, which keeps a history of the product's usefulness. You have 3 fields, status, rating, and comments, which has its own tab for longer comments. There's so many more features to cover that Trackit comes with its own help screens and 80+ page manual.